White Lives Matter. The life of Austin, I believe it's McCaff, the boy that was stabbed to death by a black boy named Carmelo Anthony in Texas for no reason. Life was cut short, stabbed in front of his own brother. But the media has nothing to say about it because it doesn't fit the narrative, the race narrative. These are evil people. These are wicked people in the media, godless people. And if it was a black student that was stabbed by a white person, we would see protests, we would see marches, we would see everything else. But because it doesn't fit their narrative, it doesn't fit the media's narrative, they don't care. They don't care. Most media don't care. I think only Fox have covered it, but they don't care at all. They care too much about hating Trump to care about actually reporting real news.